What is a laser machine? The Magic L3 laser machine is a multifunctional engraving and cutting unit, specifically designed for jewellery. So what does that mean? Put simply, the high power and fine-tuned laser can be used to cut and engrave. What thickness of material can be cut? The L3 can be used to cut metal up to 3 mm thick. The L60 can be used to cut metal up to 2 mm thick. What is the maximum working area of the laser cutting machine? The maximum working area is 112 mm by 112 mm. What materials can be cut or engraved? Suitable for use on a variety of metals including gold, silver, platinum, copper and brass, plus aluminium, stainless steel, polymers and ceramics. What extraction units or ventilation do I need? There are two options for ventilation. The Magic L3 blower set is recommended for pushing the dust out of the extension hose and suitable for well-ventilated working environments. The fume extraction unit, which is advisable for most working environments and provides the best extraction when using the unit. It is the customer's responsibility to carry out risk assessments to ensure a safe working environment. How much space do I need for this machine? A tabletop with enough space around for a laptop is sufficient for this machine. What software do I need? The Magic Engraver e-laser is the free software supplied with the machine. It is fully compatible with Microsoft Office and will allow you to use the L3 to its fullest potential. What accessories are needed to use the Magic L3? At minimum, a flat clamp or working surface is needed. In general, the Magic L3 honeycomb table is the most popular option as it can be used for cutting and engraving. Is it normal for there to be dark marks around the cut precious metal, and how do I remove them? Some dullness and dark marking around the cutting edge is unavoidable. These items simply require some buffing and polishing to bring back a beautiful shine. Can I engrave a photo? Due to the detail and precision that can be achieved by the laser, this machine is perfect for engraving photos such as pet portraits and more. How do I know what settings to use for my specific cutting or engraving? An overview on basic settings can be found in the instructions. How do I engrave black or white? How does this work and will it rub off? Both black and white engravings can be achieved with this laser engraver. Black is the standard finish, but by setting your laser to polish, a white mark can be achieved. What kinds of material cannot be cut? Well, some lasers can be used on wood, paper and leather. Unfortunately, the L3 doesn't excel in these processes. Can I engrave bangles and rings? The Magic L3 L-type clamp or the Magic L3 Auto Tilt Rotary clamp are great for holding curved metal. Book a free online or in-store demonstration today.